हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है दिलीप सिंह खर्रा और ये मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है मर्चेंट नेवी इंडिया। इसका मेन पर्पज़ है बच्चों तक एक सही इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंचाना। और आज का जो मैं टॉपिक लेने वाला हूं वो टॉपिक है आईएमआई के अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन, आईएमआई के अपकमिंग डीएनएस स्पॉन्सरशिप। जैसे अभी हाल ही में आईएमआई में एग्जामिनेशन चल रहे हैं, रिटन एग्जामिनेशन चल रहे हैं जो कि मंडे तक ख़त्म हो जाएंगे। और ये जो एग्जामिनेशन हम ले रहे हैं, ये एग्जामिनेशन में इज गोइंग टू बी सेलेक्टेड फॉर वॉलम, डमीको, डॉकेंडेल, पीआईएल एंड मैनी अदर कंपनीज। इसके रिटर्न के बेसिस पे वी विल मेक वन बिग पूल एंड दैट बिग पूल से हम बच्चे निकाल के विल सेंड टू दीज कंपनीज. Then these companies will shortlist the students and send it to IMI. Then IMI will call these students for their further interview round 2, which earlier we had discussed. Same way in Volume, IMI and the company selected the first round of the candidate who are coming on 21st of May, and the second list will also going to be selected soon and will inform to the candidate. Now, the candidate should not be in puzzled way, not to call here and there, doing a message ki why they didn't select and all. Try to understand if you are doing well in your examination, basis on that, basis on your academic marks, basis in your examination which you have done at IMI, basis on both of them, selection is going on. So right now selected candidate for Volume. Now the next list for D'Amico probably will be out after IMU CET examination. Same for Dockendale also after IMU CET, PIL also, and there are some companies are lined up with us. For those companies also will be doing after IMU CET examination. So you guys need to be a wait to get instructions from IMI admission cell. So not need to be worried. There are many of the students, they are receiving calls that they had shortlisted earlier for fleet and informed them they'll call for the interview. It was not like that. We have not taken your written examination. Your written examination is considered that only which you have done it. Basis on the same, we are going to be shortlisting you for other companies also, and if we find anybody suitable candidate from the same, so we are going to call you for further sponsorship examination. There are still 50 seats remain with IMI which going to be filled for with the further sponsorship examination. So get connected, be active with our groups, see all the messages, and believe on us. If you get shortlisted somewhere, we will email you, we will call you. Thank you for the watching.